Hello, my name is Will Davis, and today I'll be going over my film production thesis for class of film assembly. Initially, I didn't really know what to expect about this class, so I thought this class at first initially was going to be about how to get your film into local festivals or just get more eyes on it. Apparently, that's the next class. So. Uh, the day of, I wasn't really sure what to expect from this class, but once I got in, this is a very, very important class. I mean, we get to work on the in the dub stage, which I think is very important. Adds emphasis into learning programs such or software such as Pro Tools, Media Composer. Um, do not use Final Cut. Do not use Final Cut. I learned that the hard way this month, just with transferring my files and different codecs and things like that. Um, so this class really made me sit down and realize that yeah, you can do all these other things, but at the end of the day, as far as editing, it's a very, very important thing to know your way around the various softwares, so you'll be able to navigate through them and be able to edit them. Which I honestly think that was the funnest part of this class, is because we get to further edit and fine tune our thesis project. Which I mean, we even got to work with some interns from the school and they was able to provide sound editing for us, which I think is very, very important. So polishing up your mix, polishing up your thesis project is what this course was mainly about. I think it's very well needed. I think it's very, very well needed. A few of the things that I learned in this class was about how how to print stems, how to generate ambience. Say for instance, if you didn't get ambience on the day of the shoot, you can just there's a way you could get ambience from the clips. So I learned how to do that. More emphasis on crossfading and merging. Also, how to transfer uh, MOF, AAF, MXF files, and how to create those too. How to do how important save is for every step you do. Do a save copy in as well if you're gonna have someone else probably look at your project. And which these things I feel like is very important in every project that you do, and at some point in time you're gonna have to do these things. So I think that's very important to learn. All in all, I think this was a very needed class, and I can't wait for next month. So my name was Will Davis. Thank you for watching my review on film assembly class. Thank you very much.